This is your Chapter 22, Section 1 review. For most of human history, a majority of people lived in rural areas which had these people hunting, farming, or other natural resource occupations. In 1950, only 38% of the world lived in cities. By 2030, it is predicted that that will be nearly doubled. Cities have socialized functions as well as large population. Since their earliest origins, cities have been centers of education, religion, commerce, record-keeping, communication, and political power. Until 1900, only a small percentage of the world's people lives primarily in urban areas, and even the earliest cities of antiquity were small by modern standards. A city offers more room to experiment, to be upwardly mobile, and to break from restrictive traditions, but it could be harsh and impersonal. Large cities are expanding rapidly. In 1900, only 13 cities in the world had a population over 1 million. All of those cities were in North America and Europe besides Tokyo and Peking. In 2007, at least 300 cities held over 1 million residents, China having one. Of the 13 largest of these areas, none of them are in developing countries besides New York and Los Angeles. By 2005, it's expected that 93 cities will have populations over 5 million, and 3/4 of those cities are in developing countries. Already, at least half of the concrete and 1/3 of the steel used on construction around the world each year is consumed in China. In the past decade, Shanghai has built 4,000 skyscrapers. Harbin, the capital of Heilongjiang Province, with a population of 9 million people, has plans to relocate the entire city across the Songhao River on 740 kilometers of farmland, hoping these towns will be more livable and ecologically sustainable than the older cities being replaced. In 2005, the Chinese signed a contract with Britain's engineers to build at least 5 eco-cities, each the size of a large western capital, with plans for these cities to be self-efficient in energy, water, and most food products. And that's the end of Section 1, Chapter 22, Review.